Okay. Oh, wow. Ano ba mga kabalen? Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog ay ipapakita po namin ang isa sa mga very few na smoke barbecue restaurant dito sa Angeles City. This is RK Smokey
Bar and Resto.
Bar and Restaurant.
Actually, titignan din natin and titikman din natin yung mga sinaserve nilang mga smoke meat nila.
Guys, we can't wait to show you. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ini is sauteed green beans, sinutay mo yung olive oil, garlic, tapos ini southern na coleslaw, Cajun potato marbles, potato salad. Ito, favorite ko talaga. Silicon carne, mashed potato, dirty rice. Try nyo din, masarap. Tapos buttered corn, potato wedges, yan. Caesar salad, smoked carbonara. Try nyo din to. Tapos ito is barbecue brisket sandwich, clam chowder. Ay, Kemits, tama pining dino ribs ni.
Dino ribs.
Tapos ini brisket, tapos smoked Hungarian, USDA steak, pulled pork. Itong skewers namin is medyo sweet siya, tapos smoky flavor, no? Pork ribs, tingnan nyo naman gaano kalambot, di ba? Malambot yan. Kaya pala pink yung karne niya because of the smoking process ng cooking, no? Yung wood yung nagbibigay ng color sa meat. Tsaka alam mo pag in-smoke yung karne, meron siyang smoke ring. Ayun yung smoke ring niya. Yan. Di nila makuha to hanggat di nila ni-smoke ng for 12 hours mga ganun. So, ito is beef belly. Malambot yan. Yan. Tapos meron siya mga free sides, bread, tsaka onion, tsaka jalapeno para pang-cleanse ng pan.
Actually, may ilig kami kasi talaga mamangandang partners, business partners me. Wow. Kaya yung gawa mi, mantong kaming bayong food sana na kening Angeles. Kasi kaya na after pandemic, something new na yung burida din tao Kasi may magluto na lang rin tao ngayon di ba? Kami, yung burimi ngayon makatakman lang something new, something na authentic Texas barbecue talaga. Na may smoke and 12 hours. Yung target me talagang takman din kung makanano dahil luluto yung Texas barbecue.
So yeah, ako naman guys, instead of bread, I'm gonna taste it with rice actually. So we're gonna taste it with rice. And a little bit of their own barbecue sauce. Wow. Yan ha.
So, RK Smokey Bar and Resto is open from 4 p.m. until 1 a.m. Tuesday to Sunday. From 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pwede kayo mag-dining dito. Kainin yung mga favorite nyong steaks or yung mga pinakita natin mga food kanina. And 10 onwards, ready na kayong 4 bar naman. So, gusto nyo mag-chill, gusto nyo mag-happy-happy lang, pwede dito.
For you to check out if you are looking for those kinds of food.
Actually, even yung mga smoky natin or yung mga ganitong klaseng bar na chill lang.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, nilagay namin to, bro. Kasi after nila kumain ng mga meat, talagang kailangan maluto naman sa mga alcohol na mix namin. Tapos ginawa namin mga classic mix namin. Kasi Kung
Wow.
yung mga bago, hindi magko-corporate dito sa smoke namin eh. Kaya kinlasik namin yung mga drinks. In the same time, dinesign namin siya na modern. Kaya gano'n. Anyway, in-invite ko kayo
Yes,
guys
please.
dito sa RK Smokey, dito sa Balibago Mountain View, Pulung, Maragul. I-waste nyo lang or Google Map yung RK Smokey Bar and Resto, guys. Yun.
Solid food, solid
Drinks.
solid team. Thank you so much. Napaka-wait ng host natin for the day, bro.
Thank you.
So, yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Make sure that when you share it, guys, tag nyo yung We're in Pampanga para ma-like din namin yung mga sinishare ninyo.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Cheers.
For friendship.
Friendship, brother.
Alright. Brother.
Peace out.
Peace out. Yaman ha?